So how does that process work though? Because I mean, I think the way you do it is kind of a little bit different than other people, right? Because you have some kind of tool to kind of help you with that you kind of developed yourself. So maybe you can explain a little bit more about that. And if you have a demo, of course, you can show us.
Yeah, sure. Um, I can just share my screen right here.
And please be verbose when you explain, right, for people who may just be listening and not actually watching.
Okay. So basically, I have a app builder in the app forms. It doesn't. It's not in the market. That's a tooling that I built for myself to create a UI with different functions, so I can actually using my tablet just create an app for a demo, for use case and test out what kind of functionality people want. Is it the way you want it? The way it works is so simple though. You just create, you have a create button, and then you have another cell phone, probably an Android or iOS phone. You just click one, one app, and then
Wait,
once
wait,
you,
wait, wait. Let's stop for a second. Let's stop for a second. Sorry to cut you off, but you're actually using Flutter to create other Flutter apps, right?
yes, it's more than that though. It involves a couple party. A couple functions. It would do a code generation for scaffold. We have a CLI creating a scaffold so I can put the widgets inside of on the widget tree. So everything has to be dynamic, right? So in order to do that though, we also need to some sort of state management. We probably can talk about later. But basically for our use case is so you just have to click for like what kind of stuff, what kind of app you want to build. And then we just click and it will be alive soon. It's not that fast. Oh, I forgot to pick the live mode, and then we pick the Sotobi app. Is it the kind of app we want to build? So we can see the clients like the reaction. Hey, is it uh, this kind of app you want to build, or is it something like a fashion clothing app you want to build? So you can dynamically generate a lots of apps on demand without actually go through the process. And once we design the direction, like the people, hey, this is how I want it, and I can say, you know what, we can build from scratch. How's that? We can talk about, hey, what kind of primary color you want? You want something fancy color, or the theme of your thingy. I can turn on to our stock mode. We also have the animation builder. That's a built-in, so we can see what kind of animation for your widgets, so we can play around like, hey, you do want something like that in your app, or is it something that you're looking for to build the widget? So people want fancy stuff, so we just a built-in app builder with a built-in animation builder, so we can test it at the real time. We also have a theme builder. We can take care about all the colors based on material design and how they want the color and how they feel about the app. But for most of clients in Hong Kong, we skip that part. We just go straight for lots of like uh, demo app. Let's say I want a splash. I want some like planets. Those are available in uh, in the market. So we grab that as a demo, so we understand what kind of things they want to do, and then we work it from there. So we can just go for, hey, this is a library app, this is a movie trailer app. It, it depends on the client, right? So I can build something really quick, really simple, and I can work from there.